Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Advait. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is about logical thinking worksheet to enhance their reasoning power. So let's get started.
So this is the first sheet. Okay. So what you have to do, here are some patterns. So you have to copy exactly the line. Okay, where it goes. Come on, start doing it.
This is an easy one.
Yeah.
A cross.
Cross.
E.
Very good. The next one.
It kind of looks like an arrow pointing there, there,
Yeah.
there,
Yeah.
and there.
Good. The next one.
And there. This one is easy as well.
You have to join dot to dot. Very good. The last one.
So this up,
Yeah.
with that, and up.
No, that's wrong. No problem. Can erase it and do it. You have to look carefully and do it. Okay? Come on, do it.
Okay. No.
Good job. So, in this sheet, what you have to do, here are some patterns. You have to tick which one is the same. Okay? Come on.
So there's this one.
Cross with the left dot. Yeah. Which shape is this?
Diamond.
Okay. Good
Last.
job. Yeah. Which shape is this?
It's a circle with a line crossed over
Yeah.
it.
So
with
which one
two
is
dots.
Yeah.
This one.
Good.
And
Which shape is this?
squares. It kind of looks like a square made in squares.
Very good. So in this sheet, what you have to do? Here are some letters. What you have to do? Circle two same letters in the row. So which letter is this?
Q.
So you have to circle two Qs. Check carefully. Very good. Next letter is?
Number 2 is B.
Yeah. This sheet is good for their logical thinking and for learning letters.
And this is kind of like an upside down D.
Yeah. So,
Okay, let's circle two P's.
yeah.
And now let's
one.
circle two D's now. Upside down P's.
Yeah. Very good. So, you have to circle the, which arrow is this?
A right arrow.
Very good. So, you have to look each row and circle all the right hand rows.
Circle right arrow.
Yeah.
Here we have up arrow, down arrow, right slanting down arrow.
So, find only the right and circle it.
Here's the up arrow, down arrow, a right arrow,
Yeah.
left arrow, turn arrow this way, down arrow. I found a right arrow,
Very good.
down, curve down, up there, a right arrow,
Yeah.
right arrow, curve down, curve up.
Very good. This is my favorite one.
And
What is
also
this?
my favorite.
Yeah, copy the patterns. So here are some lines. Okay, so red color line you have to put 2 circle, green color line you have to put 3, and for blue 1, and for pink 4. So look carefully the color and put the dots.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Come on, which color is this and put accordingly.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good.
Okay, now let's do one big one.
Yeah,
Let's do 2 small ones.
yeah.
Let's put 4 big
This
ones.
sheet is good for color and hand-eye coordination.
Yeah. And here's let's make the medium.
Good.
Okay. Let's do 2,
Yeah.
1, and
Very good. You enjoy it?
yeah.
These worksheets? These worksheets are really good for the
Logical thinking.
yes. Good boy.
I hope you like this worksheet. These worksheets are really good for the small kids to enhance their logical and reasoning power with these colorful and very simple brain boosting worksheet. If you want to download this worksheet, I will provide PDF link in description below so that your kids can enjoy and learn. For more such learning videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Learn with Advait. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.